Brothers and sisters at war over millions.
The legacy of a tri-state family is now a bitter contest over their parents' inheritance. 9 on Your Side's Jason Law was in court this afternoon with a family that is really torn into two sides. Jason.
Well, this is a picture of the Griffin family from the early 1960s. This is John Griffin here in the middle. In 1943, he formed his own company, Griffin Industries. In 2010, the company was sold for $840 million. Now, John had 12 children. Today, 7 of those children are involved in a bitter and costly legal fight over the family's estate.
None of the children in this Griffin family photo could have predicted how ugly things would be 50 years later, with sisters and brothers barely speaking, walking out of a federal courthouse and preparing for trial.
How much money is at stake here?
Well, there's a lot.
Attorneys Kent Wicker and Janet Jacobowitz represent 4 of the Griffin sisters who claim their 3 brothers cut them out of the family inheritance.
It is a tragic story. It's tragic that something like this would happen in this family.
The bad blood goes back to the 1980s, when their mother's assets were divided up following her death in 1985. In 2010, the family business was sold for more than $800 million. But the sisters say they didn't get their fair share. They accuse the brothers of fraud and breach of fiduciary duty.
These 2 oldest brothers took it upon themselves to rearrange or redistribute the assets that the father wanted to go to his 5 daughters.
Joe CALLOW represents the Griffin brothers.
Well, keep in mind, it's not all the brothers and sisters. Okay, there's another sister who doesn't come to these proceedings because she doesn't want any part of it and believes the brothers did the right thing. And I don't think their father would have liked this. I think that's why he made his intentions clear in the will.
Now, it's unclear how much the family is worth, but it could be close to $1 billion. A trial date in federal court has been set for the first week of May, and whatever happens will likely be appealed, so this family feud could continue for many years to come.